Hey guys, it's me Vaishnavi. Welcome back to another video. Yesterday I posted the part 1 of the character Q&A. If you haven't watched that already, the link would be in the description. This video is a continuation to that. This is part 2 of the character Q&A. So, without any further ado, let's now move on to the video. Hi, it's Madeline. Where's my phone? Now I'm going to be reading the comments and questions that you guys have made on Vaishnavi's new series. And yeah, the first comment about me is by Aarti Sinha. Madeline running for her life is literally me leaving the exam hall. Love the series. Thank you so much for your comment. And yes, I'm definitely a mood, and your comment was really cool. So that's a plus. Okay. So the next comment is from Mr. RNT. It was so fun when Madeline ran out of the store. Thank you. It was actually really scary, but you guys are laughing at it, and I'm completely okay with it. So, yep. That's all. That's all the comments about me in episode 1. But all the comments in this video are amazing, so I love you guys so much. I'll see you. Okay, the video isn't ending now. Just move on. Let's read comments about me from episode 2 now. Yes, Addy and Maddie, love you so much and waiting for your next drama. Was nice, work hard. Thank you. I know I'm your favorite and Addy isn't because Addy is so weird, but thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. Now, yeah, loved this episode. My favorite part is when Madeline was talking to the soft toy. It was so cute and funny. Ha ha ha. Thank you so much. It was actually really scary talking to the toy because the toy could have talked back, but it didn't. So that was really cool. And thank you for your comment. I really appreciate it. That's it for episode 2. Why are people commenting so less about me? There are no comments about me and Addy in episode 3. It is basically about how you guys liked the series, and I appreciate those comments. Now I'm going to be reading a few questions and comments from the community posts. The first question is from just a normal person. I love your style. Who is your favorite singer? My favorite singer is Billie Eilish, and thank you so much for loving my style. You can wear black things like this, and you'll be very Madeline. What is your favorite type of outfit? The one I'm wearing right now? Black, black, black. Black is the best. Love you, Maddie. You are so cool. I love you too, and I bet you are very cool as well. So, the next couple of questions are from Suman Upadhyay. Dear Madeline, you are my favorite girl. I'd like to know your opinions on teenage behavior. The reason to put this question on is your honest to goodness behavior, which makes you exceptional. Thank you so much for complimenting me like that. And people can have different opinions on this question, so it would be better not to say a lot about it because a lot of people can get triggered. But all you need to do is you need proper guidance to go to the right path in your life, and that is basically all I would say. But otherwise this can be very scandalous. So yeah. Now the question is from Pratima Kumari, which are both for me and Addy. The question is, do you know the channel Vaishnavi Lifestyle? Yes, I do. She's my best friend. She's amazing. You should watch her videos. She makes amazing videos and you guys should definitely check it out. So yeah. Where do you live? We used to live in Los Angeles, USA, but we had to film this series, so we came to India. So yeah. Says the person who has never been out of India. The couple of questions which I'll be answering now are from Aarti Sinha. I love your bun, it is so stylish and amazing. Why do you wear only that hairstyle? Excuse me, I'm wearing my hair down right now, and I was wearing it down in episode 2 and 3 as well. And I like the bun because it is very minimalistic, and Madison told me to put my hair down like this because I don't know. I don't know why she said that and why I followed it, but yeah. She again asks, who is your favorite singer? Billie Eilish. She asks, why are you so dark? I am dark. What clique do you belong to in school? So, for those of you who don't know, cliques are basically groups like the nerdy group, the backbenchers, and stuff like that. I belong to the nerdy group because I don't like to interact with people. No. So the next questions are from Cherry Blossom. She said, "Hi Madeline, why are you always in bun hair? Can you please open your hair?" My hair is open right now. It was open in episode 2 and in episode 3. Yeah, and I'm in a bun because that is super easy and minimalistic and it is not a headache. So, yeah. Do you know Vaishnavi's lifestyle? Yes, she is amazing. When were you and your sister born? We were born on Christmas, which is 25th of December. Why you are always in boy dress up? First of all, this is not a boy dress up. I like to wear black clothes and yeah. Okay, so the next questions are from Pratima Kumari. Madeline, why don't you like the girly styles? Because I don't want to look like Madison. Madison is so pink and I don't like pink. There's no problem in liking girly styles, but I don't like them, so you get me. Are you a sport lover or studies? I like sports, like a few sports like football, and studies are probably my thing because you don't need to interact with people for that. So, you understand. Are you getting me? Thank you so much, Miracle Fam, for leaving all those amazing questions and comments about me in the videos and in the series and for showing me so much love. It really means a lot, and Madeline loves you. And yeah, that is pretty much all. And thank you so much, Vaishnavi, for having me in your series. It was a really good experience. The next question was actually for Vaishnavi, but she said that she wanted me to answer it, so I'm going to answer it for her. The question is from Deepshikha. She said, "Are you planning to do more such videos?" So Vaishnavi really liked to do this series, so maybe she will do more of these if you guys want to watch it. So if you want to watch it, don't forget to comment that on her videos. She is a really nice person and she maybe would listen to you guys and make more videos like these if she wants to. So, yeah. We call this cuteness overload. Hi, people, this is Madison. I'm going to be reading the comments and answering the questions about me regarding the Halloween syndrome, and I'm really happy to do that. Thank you so much, people, for leaving such good comments on episode 1. It really means a lot for me, Madeline, and Vaishnavi. This comment on episode 2 is by Pratima Kumari. She said, "Yes, Addy and Maddie love you so much. Waiting for next drama, dear. Was nice, work hard. Thank you. I know I'm your favorite and Madeline isn't because Madeline is super weird. And I'm not weird. So thank you for your sweet comment." The next comment is from Just a Normal Person. They said, "And I love Madison. She is beautiful." Thank you so much. You are beautiful as well. There are no comments about me and her on episode 3. They are all about how much they like the series. So now I'm going to be reading the comments from the community posts. There are a few questions from many people on the community posts. So the first few questions from Just a Normal Person are: what is your favorite color? Pink. Why are you so beautiful? I don't know, but thank you. I love your dress. Where did you get it from? I got this dress from Trends. You can get it too. It is really cute. I know. Are you an introvert? Are you mistaking me for Madeline? Introvert? Me? How? That's not possible. That's illegal. There are a few questions from Suman Upadhyay. Dear Madison, if you had to describe Madeline in a word, what would that be? Coffee. Dark, bitter, and too hot for you. She's amazing. She's very emo, and I love her so much, and I'm very, very lucky to have her as my sister. And do you think, is it good, neutral, or bad? I think she's very good, but she can be a jerk sometimes. So the next questions are from Pratima Kumari. She asks, "Do you know the channel Vaishnavi Lifestyle?" Yes, she's one of my best friends. Where do you live? We used to live in LA, but we had to come to India for the filming of the Halloween Syndrome, so yeah. The next couple of questions are from Aarti Sinha. Madison, do you enjoy being with your twin sister? Sometimes I do enjoy, and sometimes I can't take it. So that is how it works. Do you like Visco girls? I am a Visco girl. Look at this shell necklace. I mean, bracelet or whatever. But yeah, I do like Visco girls because I am one. I love your makeup. Can you make a tutorial? It's nothing actually. It is just this and this. And it is not very difficult, so you can do it yourself. There's no need for a tutorial. But thank you so much for asking. What clique do you belong to in school? I used to belong to the popular clique when we actually used to go to school, but now we can't go to school. But I'm still one of the most popular kids of my school, so yeah. The next few questions are from Cherry Blossom. Madison, hey gorgeous, you are so beautiful. What's the reason behind it? First of all, thank you so much. You are beautiful as well, and there's no reason I look the way I look because I do look like that. Why is your hair curly? Because it is. I don't know why. I mean, it is that way. So, what's your age? I'm the same age as Vaishnavi. If you don't know how old she is, you need to watch her Q&A, which would be linked down in the description box. Why do you do makeup all the time? Because I like it. There is no boundaries to makeup. You can wear it if you want to, you can't if you don't want to. Why are you in pink dress all the time? First of all, in the Halloween Syndrome video, the only dress that I had worn was this one because I had to be me and I like pink a lot, so I wore like a pink dress because pink. Duh. Why only you are there in the whole series? I mean, in the scene when you and your sister were going to shop, so there were no customers. Why only you were there in the whole series? So the reason is because we were filming, so we couldn't take every person who was shopping in the shot, if you understand what I mean. The series was about me and my sister, so we just took ourselves because that was the point. I hope you understand what I mean. So the next question is from Pratima Kumari. What is the name of your channel, Madison? My channel's name is Madison Rules the World, and I have 20 million subscribers on there. Yeah, I'm not kidding. Thank you so much, Miracle Fam, for all your cute comments and questions on our series, The Halloween Syndrome. It was really amazing reading all of your comments and you're answering your questions. And if you want more videos like these, you can comment down below, and we will love to be in the videos like this. And yeah, thank you for having us. That is it for the character Q&A. It was very fun to film and I really hope you guys liked it. If you guys did enjoy this video, don't forget to give it a big thumbs up and also hit that big red subscribe button down below and the little post notification bell right next to it to get notified every time I post a new video. By doing this, you'll become the member of the hashtag notification squad and one of my Miracle Fam members. That is all I want to say. I'll see you guys in my next video. Until then, goodbye.